So paano ba natin iiwasan maging remote control? If you remember the earlier talk, pag mabilis ka magalit, mainis, maanoy sa ibang tao or ibang situations. So para silang nagko-control sa'yo, pinipindot nila yung buttons mo. So first is, don't think highly about yourself. Meaning, hindi ka napansin, hindi ka kailangan parating tama, hindi ka kailangan parating na-appreciate, okay lang yun. So don't think too much of yourself. Number 2, don't let anyone or anything or any situation affect you. Di ba? Hindi nag-agree sa idea mo, bad trip ka na. May nagsalita ng masama, sasaktan ka kagad. Or mainit, ayaw mo ng init. Maulan, ang lakas ng ulan, ayaw mo rin ng ulan. Saan ka lulugar? Nasa Pilipinas tayo. Hindi naman everyday perfect ang weather or ang situation. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman ikaw ang nasasaktan. Ang nasasaktan, yung ego mo. In fact, yan yung kailangan mong kontrolin. Your own self, your own ego. Kasi pwede tayong maging kalmado at chill lang kahit challenging yung situation. So dyan papasok ang meditation. Kasi pag nagme-meditate ka, napapractice mong huminga ng malalim at mahaba. And according to science, yan yung nagsastop ng cortisol, yung stress hormone. So yung stress levels natin bumababa. And you remember to use it pag nandun ka sa challenging situation. Yun nga yung nakakatawa eh. Libre huminga. Pero no one is using it pag challenging situations. So kadalasan, ang reaction ng tao ay galit or negative. So remember, practice your meditation. Kahit breathing meditation lang para iwasan maging remote control. Remember, you can master your breathing to master your mind. You master your mind, you master your life. One breath at a time.